Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to the Luna Classic update today. Luna Classic is pumping a little bit, and previously when I made a video, I said that if you ask me, then I honestly will say that Luna Classic is a really, really good buy at the moment. So uh, today I was looking at the chart and I was like, yeah, what's going on? What's happening? And all I can say is that there's this inverted and shoulder, left shoulder, head here, right shoulder, and a break above. So maybe this time that Luna Classic is at 15,388, we could actually probably get a good entry, or there could be chances of a stop loss hunt down to 14427, and then eventually we may see this thing coming up to this technical target of 19,000. So do expect we may see this thing flying for maybe another 23%. I want to see how the 1 hour time frame looks like. We've actually saw a nice good pump, but eventually, which is kind of disappointing with a little bit of a push to the downside. So the lowest you probably may go, and I think by tomorrow you may find a nice good entry, is that we could probably see this one touch down to 15,049. I think this is going to be a very good place to buy, and if anyone wants to trade, of course they can actually try to trade, and eventually if you do end up having a successful retest, then it's a whole move to the upside. Now personally think that this is meant to happen. Okay, I think so. I think it's actually going to move up to 19,000 hopefully one more time. Now that's all for the Luna Classic. Now before you close the video, if you know the name of the coin that I'm about to say, you guys can close the video here. But for those who are new, I am actually going to be mentioning a coin for the next 1 or 2 months for free, which I think is in accumulation phase, and it's always a good idea to enter when the prices are low. So for example, this was Pepe. When the prices were low, people were buying and selling, and eventually accumulation, a pump, the accumulation of ICP and a pump. Same for the bonk, same for Dogecoin, same for SHIB, and now this is the one that I want to tell you. And anytime this year, I don't know when, but anytime this year, I do believe we might see this thing also moving to the upside. And I kind of think it can give you 700% if you hold it long enough, like 7x. I'm talking about the potential is there, at least 2x we're talking about. So to get it, this is absolutely free. Message me on Discord. If you scroll down, click on Discord and message me the word coin. When you click on announcement, click on my name and message me. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.